This video covers the triads, the different triads that are built on the note F. If you spread out here with an F chord, well, these other triads, and this covers the other patterns or the other fingerings that we can use for these other triads, because in the other videos I cover a specific fingering for them. Well, this covers other fingerings. This is where we can get practice at that. So we're starting here, and we're using the same pattern that we've used on all the others. We're going to change the two middle notes. We're going to alternate between the lower and upper as to when we change them. So it's you start out with an F, then move the upper note up a whole step. So use fourth finger in the right hand here. Now move the lower one up a half step here and use third finger now. Now move the upper one down a half step. Keep the fourth finger though. Now move the lower one down a whole step here and use fourth finger in the left hand here. Now move the upper one down a half step, third finger now in the right hand here. That's the F minor, and then go back to F major. So we're here. Then we simply do the arpeggios. That's the pattern we do the arpeggios. Because there's so many arpeggios involved here, I typically just do the 4 octaves up and down. And I don't do the contrary. You can if you want. It's just it makes it so long to do that. So I do these. Start down here. We're going to do 4 octaves. We're going to go up here. Start in F. Accent and drop the wrist. So, I don't know if I really needed to play it all for you, because it's the same pattern we're using for all the other videos on these multiple triads. However, I encourage you to accent on the beat and drop the wrist on the accent and keep it slow on these.